Hello everyone. So today we are going to build a Windows Server. So we are using VirtualBox to build this. And before we move on, you need to have two things download. First you need to download Oracle VirtualBox and install it. And you also need to download ISO image of Windows Server. So in here I'm using 2022 version. So you can download any version you like. So yeah, let's get started. So first to create a virtual machine, you need to click this new button in VirtualBox, and then you can give a name for your virtual machine. So I'm given my name as Windows Server 2022 DC, and DC for the domain controller. So I'm going to turn this into domain controller. That's why I'm giving it as DC. You can name it any name you like, and in here using this drop down, you can select your download ISO image. So I'm selecting the Windows Server 2022 ISO image and open it. And in here, you can select your OS edition, desktop experience, and also this is actually important part. Don't check this box that proceed with unattended installation. I have noticed with some different editions of VirtualBox, sometimes there is a checkbox with skip unattended installation. So in your VirtualBox have something like skip unattended installation. uh, you need to check that, but in here I have proceed with unattended installation, so I'm going to uncheck it. And in here you can control Windows Server, and then you need to select OS version. It's automatically selected and no need to do anything here. So yeah, and then you can give resources for your virtual machine. So at least try to give 4 GB memory, base memory. So servers are a bit heavy, so more resources are actually good if you have. And I'm giving given 4 courses, and maybe you see use EFI checkbox. So leave that unchecked. EFI actually great for physical production server, but in virtual lab, it can sometimes make booting from bit trickier. So I'm leave it unchecked, and we can allocate storage. So I'm allocating 50 GB. I think that's enough. And you can click virtual disk image, and also you need to check the create new virtual hard disk from these radio buttons, and then you can finish this. Yeah, I think some issues are occurred. Let's see what. Yeah, everything's on order. Yeah, 50 GB. Okay, Windows Server 2022. Yeah, I think it need to be something with this the name. So let me change that. Microsoft Windows Server PC. Okay, now okay, yeah. So the issue was with the name. So yeah, then you need to click the newly created virtual machine, and you need to click this start button. So yeah, okay, shell is building. So yeah, standard language settings here. So just click next and install now. So language install, yeah, all correct. And then you can click on install now. In here, this screen is the most important part of the whole installation. So you will see few options. So yeah, like stand evaluations, desktop experience, data center evaluation. So you need to check this uh, standard evaluation desktop experience and click next. So yeah, so if you pick something like stand evaluation without desktop experience, you're going to get black screen with just command line interface. So no start menu, no mouse. So you need to select something with that desktop experience. So yeah, in here you can accept terms and conditions, license, and okay. So we aren't upgrading an old computer, so this is a fresh machine, so fresh clean server. So you need to click on custom, and in here we have the allocated space. So yeah, you can click that and click next. Okay, so I will speed this part so we don't watch the whole things. So yeah, I will fast forward this part. We are back. So actually it wants password for built-in administration accounts. So when you making this password, make something strong with some letters, numbers, maybe some symbols. And if you lose this, you are actually locking yourself out of your own server. So try to remember this password and maybe note it down. So I'm given some password, and okay, let's try finish. Yeah. So yeah, my password is actually not meet their requirements. So password need to be more complex. Uh, you need to use both capital and simple, also numeric values, and also also some symbols. Let's see, will it work? Yeah, yes. Okay, and now we are at the lock screen, and it says that see here, press Control Alt Delete to unlock. The thing is, don't press those keys on your actual keyboard because you are lock your own PC. Since we are in VirtualBox, we need to go through this top menu and click Input, and in here go to Keyboard and then select Insert Control Alt Delete, right? Okay, that's an like signal to the VM. So in here we can use the password that we made earlier. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we are in. So yeah. So when server manage pops, so I think all things work correctly. We successfully installed Windows Server 2022. So in next video, we are going to give machine static IPs and promote, make it to domain controller. So thanks for watching.